Oh,
see
so sorry.
exactly what you see and shoot it up. That's pretty cool.
It's okay for the glass. It'll just make a little tiny bit. Yeah.
Does it matter like which way I put it?
It doesn't, no. Like I said, this.
So, and then facing the glass?
So, yes, I think like if you want her to be like this. My name is Sarah Fox. I'm an artist and a curator. So today was a cyanotype workshop. It's an old printmaking photography process. Luminaria because I'm an artist that likes to use technology in my work, like doing the video and processing things on the computer. And I think Luminaria is one of the only organizations in town that really helps artists utilize technology too and helps provide funding for that. I also like that it's sort of like a family event, and so people of all different ages and all different backgrounds can come and kind of check out art.
I'm just looking for it to turn blue, right?
Yep, and that's it. That's perfect. And then tomorrow night, that one looks like it's like by tomorrow at this time, it'll be really nice dark blue. And you have to be careful when you dry them. Like this is good. I one time draw art on like a backer board, and they even make machines where it's like, or not machines. Like they make these boxes where the glass kind of comes down and you clip it and it like smashes it really flat.